say goodbye to, where are we?
Smyrna,
Tennessee, and we're off to Louisville. Louisville. One, you have to say it, I'm being told, is one syllable. Kentucky, all right? Let's go. Mustang ahead of us. And is he still behind us? Turbo T-Type behind us. Oh, oh, oh.
No video, maybe.
Whoa. Someone ready for L&N Stadium. I don't know what L or N stands for, but we are in Louisville, Kentucky. And there's an overhead shot of everything that's going on and how many people are here. Look at all these people just camped out here, just watching everybody roll in. How awesome is that, huh?
Look at the hood bracing. There's no bracing in the center.
Yeah.
Have they built that way?
No idea. No idea. It's a BMW. That's about all I can tell you, right? But look at that stroker.
The radiator looks a little substandard for the size of the engine.
Wow, that's insane.
It's impressive. I'm not making fun of it. I just I question its ability to stay cool.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Never would have guessed something like that would have fit in there. Love to see this thing run. So it's a blown Chevy fuel injected. It just did 431 horsepower at the rear wheels. Oh. This I like too. Biscayne. Wow, look at that stance. Educating us here on what we're looking at.
You're looking at a 1987 Buick GNX. They were modified by American Sunglass Corp. They actually had like 3 different names that all had the initials ASC. American Specialty Corp, American Sunroof Corp, and I forget what the third one was. But these were built at the factory as Grand Nationals, and they were shipped there. And they have Stuart Warner gauges in them. They have a ceramic impeller turbo that's specific to this. I believe the intercooler is different. It's supposed to be more efficient, if I remember correctly.
That's all right.
And they don't have upper control arms on the back. Instead, they have an extra cross member and a panhard bar that attaches to the special rear end cover.
More like an F-body Camaro.
Exactly.
80s. And they came with the fender flares. Obviously not that big of a wheel and tire, but right?
Right. They were similar to that design. They were reminiscent of the GTA Trans Am rims.
And they did have a vent in the...
And the vent was something that ASC had also.
Let me see if I can get a shot of this lower control, upper control arm here. Ooh, it's hot down here. It's hot. It's burning my knees. Oh wow, can you guys see that? Yeah, you can kind of get a view of that.
Kind of like your W whatever cover on your...
Yeah. Yeah.
It's aluminum, but it has mounting points.
Can't see anything from the front there, but... So this is a GNX. And you see they ditched the factory Hydro Boost too. And they went with, what is that? A Hydratech.
And it looks
Hydro
very
Boost
similar
system with
to
the Willwood mast.
Astrovan.
Yep. And I'm assuming they went with, no, they didn't go with big brakes on it. It's got factory looking brakes.
And you'll see ones with Stuart Warner gauges, but can you see how this has the finished look? Because it has the shadow box on the glass.
It's hard to see, but yes. This is really cool. Gorgeous paint on it.
Oh, it should have a transmission cooler, Bob. We talked about that.
Oh yeah.
You see that in front of the radiator?
Yes. It's more vertical than yours, but yes, I see it. Huh. Awesome. 70 Chevelle convertible. Yeah, it says on there.
LT4 is Corvette, LSA, I believe, is the Cadillac one.
Yeah, look at that, huh? Matches, rims match, insides of the wheels are painted, and even the top matches. Very nicely finished. All right, here we go. Rivets, exposed rivets. Wonder if this is aluminum or steel. What do you think? Or stainless steel? You think it's aluminum? Tell you what, lick it and see if it burns your tongue or not. This is kind of cool. That's okay. This is cool. Yeah, look at that center console. Point it out. Look at the front suspension. That upper area just connects to coilover. You got the shock and spring right there. Rack and pinion in front of it. It's brilliant. Simple. And I didn't even know what I'm looking at here. Hi, my name is Bob. It's a pleasure.
Bob, I'm Larry.
Larry, pleasure to meet you. And you said this is an 07
It's an 07 Charger.
Charger.
Super B.
Okay. Yeah.
Genuine Super B.
Yeah. Okay. That's what it started out as.
That's what it started out as.
And you were explaining how this was done. Up to right about here is the original car, right?
Yes.
This is original door, A pillar.
from
Or,
right
I'm sorry,
here.
B pillar. Uh-huh.
From right here forward is the original car.
Yep.
Okay. As a matter of fact, we didn't even paint it.
Oh, wow.
We blended the quarters and the rest of the body panels in. But it's a kit made by Smith Performance out of Massachusetts.
Smith Performance. Okay.
Smith Performance out of Massachusetts.
Okay.
He was one of the original founders of Factory 5.
Oh.
So he
okay.
understands kit cars.
Uh-huh. Okay. It's fiberglass.
Fiberglass quarters,
Mhm.
Ford Ranger tailgate,
Okay. Okay.
Chrysler Town and Country minivan taillights,
Oh, wow.
and a Chevrolet Colorado back glass. So it's kind of a unique American put together like a Johnny Cash Cadillac.
Right, right, right. You said there's a riveted in aluminum structure you were telling me behind the...
One of the, and Mark was somewhat of an engineer too. So when we cut it right here.
Uh-huh.
This is the original B pillar on the car. There's a piece of structural aluminum that is installed and riveted to the B pillar, just like airplanes.
Right.
Airplanes are riveted together.
Yep, yep.
The rest of the car is either panel bond or bolted. No
Wow.
welding, no fabrication, nothing.
Wow. That's amazing.
Took
And
4 months to build.
4 months? Okay. And it looks very usable, utilitarian. But I mean, it obviously drives just like a Charger would, right?
It drives, tracks, no problems with it all, going down the road straight. Not any rattles, no trouble lights.
Unibody really hasn't been touched then?
No.
So you could take it to alignment shop for an 07?
Absolutely.
Okay.
All the shock towers remained in place. Nothing was touched there. The only wire I cut was for the tail light bulb.
Wow.
Because the Charger and the Chrysler minivan were different.
Oh, got it. Wow. Wow. That's amazing. I love it. Thank you so much for your time. Yes.
Thank you.
Look at this. 69 Camaro with 335, 30, 18s on the back.
I'd like to have
The hood. So that's for the clutch, brakes, power brakes, vacuum assist. It's awesome. Yeah, gorgeous. Oh, and notice front and rear actual carbon fiber bumpers. So, look at that. Stark 4. Love it. Love it. That's awesome.
Mine's better!
Oh, is that the guy you know?
Yeah!
Camaro, Pontiac. Is that a G8? Is that what they call it? I don't know. I could be wrong. 7071 Camaro. Never seen a Ford Torino wagon? Never seen a Ford Torino wagon this nice? There's the Camaro. bet you an LS would fit in there. No way. You want to bet $50?
Bet you a case of beer it'll fit.
Here's Demetrius's car. I was talking to him last night. Beautiful, beautiful car. Nice body work on this thing. His old truck, Ford pickup. I never thought of not hiding my welds. And here's a really cool car. It's the second time seeing it. Bob, nice to meet you.
I'm Jeff.
Jeff, and we have here a 72 Vista Cruiser. And could you tell me again when this car was painted?
1972.
So this is the original paint.
Original paint.
And look at this, some of the little things I saw, like you got that's like perfect patina right there. It's beautiful. It's like shiny enough.
Original
but
wood
then,
grain, everything.
Yeah, you know, you can see some of the areas where it is worn, where it's when you say original paint, you know. And this is the original wood grain finish decal, whatever that came on it, right?
It's called Dynoc, and it was made by 3M.
Yeah.
And it is an adhesive-backed decal, basically.
But this is the original decal.
That is the original that was put on.
That's amazing.
By some guy on the assembly line back in 72.
And now here we got, of course, things that would not have come with being a wagon. Things like the sports steering wheel. You could never get a console in a wagon,
No.
right? But that's cool. I saw that's even a Hurst shifter in there. You said it's a Turbo 400?
Turbo 400.
Nice, nice. And you've got brakes, brakes, like all cars have brakes, but you have big brakes up front, right?
Yep, I got the 12-inch Willwood.
12-inch Willwood.
And then this is just stock drums on the rear.
And since you have stock drums on the rear, you can still run a regular master cylinder.
Yep.
That's cool. Small block car. It looks like the
354 barrel, numbers matching.
Yeah.
Carburetor, everything.
What I did also like, a nice little touch, is you have 442 grills in it, but not the 442 emblem.
Nope, it's that cruiser emblem on it.
Yeah, I saw that. You know, I'm liking. This is the second car I've seen with 442 grills, but not the 442 emblem. I like it.
72 is not my favorite year for grills.
Okay.
I don't like the ice tray look.
And then I see upper control arms. You said this thing's got full suspension all the way around, right?
UMI tubular control arms.
Wow. Look at this.
Alden's coil over shocks.
We got this golden hour right now. Look at that stance. What size are the tires?
245 70 17s on, or excuse me, 40 17s on the front, and 275 50 17s on the back.
Yeah, that's nice. Perfect stance. And I heard that you were saying you actually ran it around the race course today at the open thing here up at the.
I did at the
a couple days
Bowling
ago.
Green.
Yeah.
At Bowling Green at the test track over there by the Corvette Museum.
And that surfboard on the top too. That's a touch on there. Wow. Jeff, thank you so much. Beautiful, beautiful
Hey,
car.
thank you.
Yes. This has been going on for at least 15 seconds. Didn't get it on video, but they just broke a drive shaft or a U-joint. Ba-bang. So Louisville, Kentucky is a wrap, and next it's off to Hebron, Ohio for National Trail Raceway east of Columbus. That video is already up, so please check that out. Like this one, please, if you did like it. And I hope you guys catch that video. A little more racing action there and some high-quality cars in Hebron, Ohio. God bless. Thank you very much for watching.